working with D.I.Y with the yeah. Philippians 4:13 said, I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the Richardson. As you can see, we back in the lab, aka backyard, aka shop. Anyway, we got the C10 frame up on jack stands, as you see, so you know what time it is. Time to put this brake kit on. So we about to get up into this thing, man, because I know time getting short, man. We about to head into 2020, and 2020 want to have this thing running. Nobody want no smoke. Nobody want no smoke. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing going, and man, y'all come on with me. All right, gang, we back. So man, the first thing we're gonna do is take these tires off. So first I got my car. What's up, gang? We back, man. Look, so this is what we're gonna do, man, because this Alabama weather is crazy, man. I'm talking about this crazy. One day it's hot, one day it's cold, one day it's sunny, one day it's raining. We're like, we're gonna get a little rain out here. But we're gonna try to get a little bit something done up on this. First thing you want to do, get your axle up on jack stands. As you see, we got them up on jack stands here, and get both your tires off. That's the first thing you want to do. All right. So the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get us a get you a little drip pan for your fluid, because you got fluid, differential fluid in here. And what we do, we'll go ahead on and we'll get all of these bolts off, and we're gonna leave the top bolt on. That way we can pry it out and drain the differential, because we got to pull the axles out in order to take the drums and stuff loose. All right, so we're gonna work on that. A 1/2 inch. These are 1/2 inch bolts. We're gonna go ahead and try to break these loose. A 12-bolt ring. This is probably a little beefier ring. And the way that you find out what type of ring you got, you count your bolts. You're gonna have 12 bolts. That means you got 12-bolt ring, 8.8. But what you want to do, as you see, I got the top one. We got the top one left on. You want to leave that top one on and just loosen it up a little bit. All the rest of them, you want to take it off. And what you want to do, let me get a little down there, a little low. You want to get under there and you want to pry. Make sure you got your pan under there. And you want to get in there and try to pry it open. Tell this ain't been off in a while. Well, it's got some good silicone on it. It is tight. Let's see if we can get in there. There we go. All right. That is nasty. Oh my God.
What is that?
Guys, change out your differential fluid. I bought this truck like this, so y'all don't be talking about
It's just nasty.
Nah, we gonna get all this cleaned out. It look like milkshake, chocolate milkshake. So we're gonna let that drain out for a little bit, and then we're gonna open up the differential. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead on and open up this differential. This is gonna be the first time I'm seeing the inside of this, so we're gonna see the inside of this together. So I don't know if I gotta go through gears or nothing. I don't know, spider gears. Well, I'm gonna put a posi in it anyway, but I don't know how it's gonna look in here. So we finna look at this together. Let's go. you see, I got an open differential. So that means a one-tie smoker. We ain't doing a one-tie smoker. As you can see, it's pretty nasty in there. We're gonna have to get in there and clean it out. All right. So in order to get your axles off, what you gotta do? You look in there. You got a pin that's in there, and that pin is held in by a screw, or a bolt. I'm sorry. It's your bolt right there. That's probably gonna be a 1/2 inch. Let me check and see what we got. See if we can get in there. That is a 1/2 inch. So I gotta try to break this. Let's see. I had to put a screwdriver in there. There we go. All right, so we got that. Do not lose this bolt and do not strip this bolt out. If you do, you're gonna be in some trouble. You're gonna be in some trouble. So the trick to this, if you look at it, let me turn this wheel a little bit. You got gears in the inside called spider gears. These are extremely hard to get back in. You know, some people know how to get them back in real easy, but me myself, I'm not. I done did it one time. What I did on my Tahoe, I had to replace those, and it wasn't too fun. So we're gonna go ahead and take this nut out, this bolt out. All right, don't lose that. And that pin, what you want to do, you want to get it in an angle. Then should be able to. Sometimes they'll come out easy, but this one don't seem like it's gonna come out easy. So you might have to give it a little tap. Y'all, you might have to give it a big tap. It's gonna be a little stubborn. So what I did, I got a little extension, and I'm gonna just try to tap it lightly. That joker don't want to come out. Let's try the other side. See if it'll come out that way. I had to get physical. I'm gonna have to get physical with you. Put some heat on it. She is not wanting to come out. Wow, guys. You're not gonna believe this. The screw was broke inside of it. Do not lose this bolt and do not strip this bolt out. If you do, you're gonna be in some trouble. Now, I don't know what to do. You never know what you find out when you're dealing with these old trucks, man. No wonder it wouldn't come out. I'm gonna have to figure something out.